Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at DropCourse.io, an online learning platform that's gaining attention for its sleek design and AI-powered course navigation. But is it really worth your time, or is it just another subscription trap? Now, according to their official website, DropCourse offers smart learning tools including AI-powered study guides, notes, and summaries, all designed to help you absorb content faster and more efficiently. It's tailored for students, self-learners, and even professionals looking to upskill. It has a 4.3 star rating across 30 reviews, with 73% of users giving it 5 stars. Some users say, "Awesome app, changed my life. Nice experience." So on the surface, it looks promising. But not everyone's happy. Around 17% of reviewers give it just 1 star, mainly for one reason: canceling the free trial. One user said they couldn't find a cancel option anywhere. Even the chatbot was no help, and their messages to drop course on Instagram went unanswered. Another user said the support team made them feel dumb instead of helping them out. To be fair, DropCourse did publicly respond, saying the canceling is simple. Just go to settings, click billing, and you'll see the option to cancel in 2 clicks. They also claim their support can cancel for you directly. Still, the mixed communication has clearly rubbed some users the wrong way. So, is DropCourse legit? Yes, but with a few caveats. The platform does deliver on its learning features, and most users have a positive experience. But if you're signing up for a free trial, make sure you know how to cancel or reach out to support early, just in case. If you're someone who loves digital learning and can navigate the fine print, it's worth a shot. But if you're skeptical of subscriptions or hate chasing down customer service, maybe hold off for now. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on personal research and user feedback available as of 2025. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.